Yoler Machines, this is one of my Stripe accounts here. That's $69,000. And I've been testing this strategy for the last like 2 weeks here. And all I can say is it's very powerful what I'm doing. I'm leveraging influencers to promote PLR products with very powerfully like built funnels. And I'm promoting these PLR products. It's insane. Let me just refresh real quick to show you. It's real. So as you can see, everything's still the same. But this is just one income stream in the last 4 weeks here of $69,000. And, I had a recent one that was a big spike doing this funnel to influencers. It was a big influencer. And the profit here isn't just massive. The profit margin I'm doing here, I think I paid the influencer like $3,000 on the big spike over there. And then I was testing influencers with the little spikes over there and just doing micro influencers. So this is very powerful. I'm going to explain how you do this in this case study. Let's go. Okay, guys, so here we are on my computer. And by the way, this case study is going to be one of the most powerful case studies you have ever listened to. So pay attention. So right here, if you did the fitness niche, for example, and you built like a funnel for PLR products of like fitness or health, this right here is a page I found that you could literally run an Instagram swipe up. And you want to do an Instagram swipe up and you want to make these ads very, very like straight and to the point and minimalist and simple. And you want to work with these influencers a couple days at least just to see what ad is your best and then run that big time. But and you can negotiate with them. And you know what is crazy? They literally charge so cheap for how much traffic they have. So someone like this with just 159,000 followers with probably an engagement rate of decent, let's see. So they get on average on these posts like 1,000-ish. This one it's a video. So I think on their Instagram stories, they get maybe 20,000 views and maybe they'll get 1,000 swipe ups or something. So maybe even more, but they're going to charge somewhere around a couple hundred or less for this. And you can make, upwards of thousands doing this just from this page alone. Like this is just one page. I mean, there's tons. Just do your research. Once you pick a niche and build your funnel, you're set. So that's just one right there. Right here, if I explain the funnel for you real quick, this is how you do it. Now, you do not have to use Instagram influencers, but you can use any traffic source you choose to use. But I just chose to use Instagram influencers because I understand the power of it. It's warm traffic. It's not cold traffic or anything. But okay, there we go. You send people to a sales page. This is so important for the funnel. You guys need to listen to this. You can't skip through this part because each element of this has been tested over the years by me here. So, on ClickFunnels, I recommend ClickFunnels here. You can use the two-step order form. I do not recommend that anymore. Two-step order form is great and all, but you're actually going to make more money when you do an order page. It's very powerful. And remember, this is traffic you're not most likely going to do long-term and send to like a YouTube or an Instagram of your own. But if you do that, do less upsells. But anyway, you have a great sales page and you can keep it very simple. And remember, the first product you're doing is a tripwire, okay, on the order form page, because you want people to get past the paywall and take upsells and take the order bump and stuff, okay? So basically, you're going to charge about $1 to $5. I recommend just $1. And so you charge $1, then you have an order bump that a ton of people will get. You just need to think of an order bump, whatever it may be, think of an order bump, and then have upsells. And if you have a recurring subscription upsell, that's powerful too. And you're going to go out and dominate the whole industry of all these influencer pages, pay whatever is required to negotiate. If they say a price, I'm pretty sure it's a great price. Literally, based off their following, they know what's a good price, but you can still negotiate if you choose to. But I just ask them how much for a swipe up, and I'll just pay them that amount. I don't even care about negotiating. You got to realize after you get their email, and by the way, you collect the email here, basically you get the email, it's a buyer email, which is the most powerful email ever. So you're collecting customers here. You can then promote affiliate offers in the email sequence. You can have a follow-up series. This is like my favorite method I'm focusing on at the moment kind of right now. I mean, I still run my other YouTube channels. I still run adult ads. I still run Facebook ads. But this is something that's very exciting to me is Instagram influencers promoting these freaking like funnels. Because by the way, you make this funnel yourself and stuff. I got done for you funnels and stuff, but not for like the health niche or other niches like that. Just for adult and for sweepstakes, you don't run with influencers with those. But you know what? You can totally do a sweepstake campaign or funnel with Instagram influencers. But remember, they have a cap. Your whole goal with sweepstake offers and stuff like that have caps is just to consistently get capped out every single day on your leads that you send. Okay, very powerful. I'm telling you guys, this is insane. So after that, you got upsells right here. What am I doing, bro? Okay, so upsells. Have like 5 upsells. You could have even more. And you could, if you want to, have downsells. I usually don't like to do downsells, but if you want to do downsells, do it. Why not? Definitely don't do it on the first things you have those upsells here. But next is have a thank you page in the back end and link to like affiliate offers right there. And then link to affiliate offers in the emails. And if you want to have a second funnel, link to the funnel in the emails too. But this is, you make money with this. I'm telling you, the average order value can be really high. You get tons of purchases, tons of leads, and the traffic is cheaper than any traffic really, like because they are so undervalued, Instagram influencers. So let's keep going. Here's where you find PLR products right here. This one's called PLR products, and you can buy from them and do it. This one right here is a very big site. I'm signed up on all these. This is a very good site here too. This one's a very good site. I mean, they got so many PLR products. It's crazy. Here's another one right here. It's called the PLR Store. Here's another one right here, PLR Assassin. Boom. This one right here is called thewebjourney.com. And this one right here is called indigitalworks.com. Okay. And there's so many more. Just Google buy PLR products. You're going to have tons. And by the way, it's for tons of niches, not just like one niche or anything. Like they got thousands of freaking PLR products. So just pick your niche. It should be in one of the core niches, the core 3, health, wealth, or love, or happiness, or whatever. Happiness is kind of a result of you taking action on this, just so you know. But anyway, learn machines. I'm out here. Check out more videos. I will see you guys later. Peace.